Doing well this morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, if you'll all turn your camera on, we're going to swear everybody in at one time.
We'll put it here and slide over this direction.
Bill
Also,
Wallace, you need to raise your right hand. 'Cause I know.
I can't hardly hear.
Everyone raise your right hand.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're giving today is true and correct, so help you God?
Yes.
I do.
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down and
Yes.
come to order. Cause number 15, the state of Jason Dunlap Brown.
Kennard D. Piggy for the dependent administrator, Pearl Brown.
Good morning, sir. And
Morning.
you may proceed.
This is just an application for reimbursement of expenses. There are funeral expenses in the amount of $12,620 for the state of Jason Brown. And then there are attorney's fees that were paid out of pocket in the amount of $4,552. And there were also property taxes on real property in Galveston County that were an inheritance of the estate from the decedent's father. That was
Hold on a second. If you're not on, not testifying currently, would you mute yourself, please? We got some background noise. All right, I think we got it. Go ahead, Counselor.
And $2,797.90 were those was the amount of those property taxes on that Galveston County property that were paid out of pocket by the applicant, the dependent administrator, Pearl Brown. And that's comes out to a so those are all the so we're just seeking reimbursement from the estate.
Oh, and what's the total amount for all three? Do you have that? Have three separate orders?
It should be, we have only one order.
Okay, I am going to approve the orders, authorizing payments for all three, and then we'll make sure the amounts are correct on them.
Okay.
Okay, anything else, Counselor?
That's all, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You can be dismissed.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Merry Christmas.
You too.
All right, calls number 23, interest of Angelina Taryn Lombardia. Val,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
good morning.
I'm attorney Amanda Powell. I represent the applicant in this guardianship matter, seeking guardianship of the person of her daughter, Angelina Taryn Lombardia.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I have here Ms. Gayos.
Good morning. And I see
Good
Ms.
morning.
Nelson's on. She's at a item. Good
Yes.
morning, Mary Beth. All right, you may proceed, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call Ms. Belinda Terrain Galios. Please state your full name.
Belinda Tarín Gallegos.
Are you seeking an appointment as permanent guardian of the person over your daughter, Angelina Terrain Lombardia?
Yes,
How old is Angelina?
18 years old.
Does anyone else have a guardianship over Angelina currently?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone had a guardianship over Angelina before?
No,
Does any person or entity have a power of attorney signed by Angelina?
no.
Does Angelina reside with you in a home located in Chambers County?
Yes,
Does Angelina have any siblings over the age of 18?
yes.
How many siblings does she have?
3. She's got David A. Lombardia, Cynthia Gallegos, and Abram Gallegos.
Okay. And did Angelina's adult siblings, Angelina Gayos and David A. Lombardia, sign waivers stating that they agree with you being Angelina's guardian?
Yes,
And was Angelina's adult sibling, Abram Galios, served notice of this guardianship by certified mail?
yes,
And he signed a return receipt, which is filed with the court, correct?
correct.
And did you cause notice of this guardianship to be published for Angelina's father, David Benendez Lombardia, as ordered by this court?
Yes.
And the newspaper published this notice and a publisher's affidavit was filed with the court, correct?
Yes.
Has Angelina ever been married or have any children?
No.
Does Angelina have intellectual impairment, seizure disorder, and cerebral palsy?
Yes.
And was Angelina examined by Dr. Holly Smith on November 20th, 2024?
Yes.
And did Dr. Holly Smith complete a form called Physician's Certificate of Medical Examination giving her evaluation of Angelina's health and condition?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, I would like to enter into evidence the Physician's Certificate of Medical Examination which was completed and signed by Dr. D. Holly Smith, physician license number K4801 on November 20th, 2024, based on an examination of proposed ward Angelina Terrain Lambrita. This certificate is attached to the application for appointment of guardian as Exhibit 1.
Except in the record says Exhibit 1. It's
I'm sorry?
accepted in the records.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Galileo, is it your understanding that Angelina's condition will be lifelong and that she will never improve?
Yes.
Is it your understanding that Angelina is totally incapacitated as set forth in the certificate of medical examination?
Yes.
Can Angelina manage her financial affairs or make decisions about her health care?
No.
Can Angelina vote, make decisions regarding marriage, make decisions regarding her residence, hold or obtain a license to operate a motor vehicle, or to own, possess, purchase, or use a firearm or ammunition?
No.
Have you considered other supports and services that would avoid a need for a guardianship?
Yes.
Is it true that there's no support or service that would avoid the need for a guardianship of Angelina's person?
Yes.
As her mother and the person who has cared for Angelina her entire life, do you feel that you are the best person to continue to provide the day-to-day care she needs?
Yes.
Is there any reason you would be disqualified from serving as Angelina's guardian?
No.
Have you registered as a guardian with the Judicial Branch Certification Commission?
Yes.
On March 25th, 2025, did you successfully complete the Texas Guardianship Training course offered by the Judicial Branch Certification Commission?
Yes.
And did you file with this court a copy of the certification of completion of the Texas Guardianship Training course that you received from the Judicial Branch Certification Commission?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, I would like to enter into evidence Ms. Gayo's Judicial Branch Certification Commission certificate indicating that she successfully completed the Texas Guardianship Training course on March 25th, 2025, which was filed with the court on March 28th, 2025.
In the records.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Galileo, is the only income Angelina receives each month is supplemental security income, also known as SSI, in the amount of $887 per month from the Social Security Administration?
Yes.
Is the total income of $887 per month used in caring for Angelina each month?
Yes.
Have you filed a motion asking this court to enter an order finding that Angelina's assets are insufficient to cover the costs and services of this proceeding?
Yes.
Are you asking that the court enter an order that the costs and services of this proceeding, which include compensation for the court-appointed attorney ad litem, be paid out of the county registry pursuant to Texas Estates Code Section 1155.151?
Yes.
Do you understand that each year you're required to complete a form regarding Angelina's well-being, condition, and location?
Yes.
Do you understand if you fail to complete this form, you could be removed as Angelina's guardian?
Yes.
Do you promise to complete this form each year?
Yes.
And are you asking this court to set bond in the smallest cash amount possible to be deposited with the clerk?
Yes.
Your Honor, I proposed order has been signed by Ms. Galios, the attorney at litem, Ms. Nelson, and I, has been filed with the court. And on page 4 of that proposed order, we ask that you only require de minimis cash fund for Ms. Galios. I've left a blank there for you to fill that in. I ask that you consider my client's indigence and the insufficiency of Angelina's assets in setting this bond. I pass the witness.
Awesome. Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Gallegos.
Good morning, Miss Nelson.
It's good to see you.
It's great to see you too.
Now, you recall that we met fairly recently, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And I got an opportunity to go through a long history, 18 plus years of your care for your daughter Angelina. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And I also had the opportunity to meet with her and also discuss the idea that you were seeking appointment as her guardian. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there anybody else who is any more qualified or capable than you of taking care of your daughter?
No.
In fact, you have gone 18 years learning, educating yourself, seeking all support systems you can throughout her lifetime. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we decided that Angelina did not have to appear here today. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's because it really wasn't necessary. And in fact, she's in school right now, is she not?
No, she's not at school right now. It was interfering because she only goes to school from 8 to 10 or to 10:30.
I
But I
got it.
have somebody watching her.
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor, I pass the witness.
Thank you. Your Honor, we're asking the court to appoint Belinda Terrain Galios as permanent guardian of the person of Angelina Terrain Lombardia.
All right, I'm gonna approve the order declaring proposed wards estate insufficient. The attorney fees, allowing fees of $600. And the appointment of the guardian of the person, Miss Belinda Terran Gallegos, and the bond amount will be $10.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Judge.
Christmas to you.
Have a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, cause number 104, the estate of Wilma Faye DeYoung. Mr. Wilson,
That's us, Your Honor.
good morning.
Morning.
Were you on a while ago when we swore everybody in?
She was, Your Honor.
Okay, you may proceed then.
All right, Lonnie, can you state your name?
Lonnie Dow.
Okay, Lonnie, I'm going to ask you some questions about this, your mother. Okay, so did Wilma F. DeYoung die on May 28, 2025 in Winnie, Chambers County, Texas, at the age of 96?
Yes.
And I take it the decedent was at least 18 years of age and of sound mind at the time she executed her will?
Yes.
And when you saw the will, we submitted it to the court, but when you saw it and it was in your presence, did you recognize that to be the last will of your mother, Wilma F. DeYoung?
Yes.
And she never revoked it, correct? And 4 years have not elapsed since the date that she has passed in the filing of this probate, correct? I take it she was a resident of and domiciled here in Chambers County, Texas?
Yes.
And after the execution of the will, were there any children born or adopted?
No.
And were there any of the decedent's marriages dissolved after the execution of the will?
No.
Is there any state, government agency, or charitable organization named as a devisee in the will?
No.
And did she receive Medicaid benefits on or after March 1st, 2025?
Yes.
Are you, Lonnie Faye Dowd, named in the will as independent executor of the decedent's estate without bond?
Yes.
And you're not disqualified by law from accepting letters testamentary, are you?
No.
Not a felon?
No.
Okay. Have you ever been convicted of a crime, theft, fraud, or any type of moral turpitude?
No.
Is there any reason why you should not be appointed by this court to be the independent executor of the estate of Wilma F. DeYoung?
Yes.
Is there a reason for you not to do this?
No.
No. Thank you.
Like what?
Do you request that the court appoint you as admit the will into probate and issue you letters testamentary as independent executor without bond?
Yes.
All right, Your Honor, I've got no further questions for this
Right,
witness.
everybody admits the will to probate and authorized letters. Thank you, Counselor, Ms. Dow.
All right, Your Honor.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
All right, cause number 113, the state of Marlene Laughlin Swope. Mr. Cotton, good morning. Weston, you can unmute yourself now and turn your camera on if you can hear me. There you are. You're still muted, Weston.
How's that?
There you
All right,
go.
looks like we're ready to go, Judge.
Yeah, you may proceed.
Hello, Judge.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. You may proceed.
Okay, I'm having some kind of computer problems, but can you see me?
We can see you and hear you.
Great. Okay. Judge, my name's Weston Cotton, and Marlene Laughlin Swope died September the 7th, 2025 in Chambers County, Texas, the age of 89 years. 4 years of lot elapsed since her death. She had a fixed place of residence in Chambers County at the time of her death, and the will signed on November 9th, 2022 was never revoked so far as I know, Judge. She did not apply for nor receive Medicaid benefits on or after March the 1st, 2005, and there is a necessity for the administration of the estate. Her will was self-proven. There's no state, governmental agency, or charitable organization named in the will as a devotee. No child or children were born to or adopted by her after the date of the will, and no marriage was dissolved after the date the will was made. Her will named Cheryl Lick to serve as the independent executrix and act independently without bond or other security, Judge. She is qualified and not disqualified from seconding letters testamentary and serving as the independent executrix. It is a small estate, Judge, and we'd ask that the appraisers be waived.
All right, everybody admits the will to probate and authorized letters. Thank you, Counselor.
Thank you, Judge.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas. May I be excused?
You may be. All right, cause number 114, state of Nelda J. Pickett.
Morning, Judge. Lance Fox here with Mr. Pickett.
Good morning, Mr. Fox, Mr. Pickett.
He's been sworn.
You may proceed.
You're Donald B. Pickett, correct?
Yes,
And you understand you're appearing before the court today seeking to probate the last will and testament of Nelda J. Pickett, have it admitted to probate, and have you appointed as independent executor of the estate. Is that correct?
yes,
Nelda J. Pickett was your wife?
yes,
And it's true she passed away on September 15th, 2025 in Chambers County, Texas at the age of 78.
yes.
And it's true 4 years have not passed since the time of her death.
Say that again?
4 years have not passed since the time of Nelda's death?
Yes,
Okay, and it's true she was a resident and y'all were both residents of Chambers County, Texas for a long time and at the time of her death. Is that
Yes.
correct? And we filed with the court her last will and testament, which you have a copy here dated March 2nd, 2020. As far as you know and believe, that was Nelda's last will and testament. You recognize that as her signature?
yes, I do.
And to the best of your knowledge, it was never revoked by her. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And your name in the will is independent executor without bond.
Yes,
And it's true, you're qualified, nothing under law that would disqualify you from serving as executor. Is that correct?
that's correct.
And it's true, there were no children born to your wife after she signed that will.
That's correct.
It's also true, there was no marriage of hers dissolved after the time she signed the will.
Yes,
And it's also true that neither the state of Texas, any type of governmental entity, or any charitable organization are named as beneficiaries, or none of those are named. Is that correct?
that's correct.
And your wife never applied for was any kind of Medicaid benefits. Is that
That's
correct?
correct.
Judge, that's all I have.
Everybody admits the will to probate and authorized letters.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you, Counselor. Good to see you
Good
both.
to see you. We may be excused.
You may be. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, Judge.
All right, cause number 115, the state of Billy Fletcher.
Present, Your
Stover.
Honor.
There you are. All right, you may proceed, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Would you state your name, please?
Virginia Lee Fletcher.
You're the surviving wife of Billy Fletcher, also known as Billy James Fletcher. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Your husband died on September 17th, 2025 in Chambers County. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I'm sorry. And at the
Take your
time,
time.
thank you, Your Honor. At the time of his death, he was 84 years of age and was a resident of Chambers County. Is that correct? All right. All right. That's okay. All right. So, you're looking at a copy of his will dated September 6, 2023. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And that's an exact copy of the original that was filed with the court. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And to the best of your knowledge, your husband did not revoke that will after he made it. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And he wasn't divorced after the making of the will, right?
That's correct.
And he had no children by birth or adoption after the will was made. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And the will doesn't name the state or a charitable organization as a devotee. Is that correct?
That's correct.
The will appoints you to serve as independent executor of his estate. Are you willing to do so?
Yes,
And you're not disqualified under Texas law from being able to do that. Is that correct?
that's correct.
You've never been convicted of a felony or any kind of crime involving fraud or dishonesty,
That's
correct?
correct.
And you haven't been adjudicated by a court in Texas to be incompetent. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Now, you're asking the court today to admit his will to probate, to formally appoint you as independent executor to serve without bond, waive appraisers, and authorize issuance of letters testamentary. Is that correct?
That's correct.
No other questions, Your Honor.
Will to probate and authorize letters. Thank you, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Good luck, ma'am. Cause number 116, the state of Allen Cathy. Mr. McCollum.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Your name is Marcia Matthews,
Yes.
and your uncle was Alan Cathy, is that
Yes.
correct? He passed away on, let's see, October 27th of this year, is that
Right.
correct?
Yes.
And he had his fixed place of residence in Chambers County on the day he died?
Yes.
And you've examined this to be and recognized this to be his last will and testament? It's dated October the 5th of 2016, is that correct?
Yes.
And you recognize his signature?
Yes.
And as far as you know, he never amended or revoked that will?
Correct.
Okay. He didn't leave anything to any charity or governmental or state organization in the will?
No.
He didn't have any children born to or adopted to him after the date of the will?
No.
He didn't get divorced after the date of the will?
No.
And the will named you to be the independent executor?
Yes.
And you're not disqualified in any way? You're not a felon or had been convicted of a crime of moral turpitude or anything like that?
No.
And you're here asking the court to approve your application to admit his will to probate and name you as the independent executor?
Yes.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
Admit the will to probate and authorize letters. Thank you, Counselor.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day. Merry Christmas.
Thank
Merry
you. Merry Christmas.
All right, cause number 119, the state of George Mann Wilson.
That would be me.
Mr.
Well-
Mayo, good morning.
Good morning.
And you may proceed.
Thank you very much. George Mann Wilson passed on July 5th, 2025 in Mont Belvieu, Chambers County, Texas at the age of 76, meaning 4 years have not elapsed since the date of his death. He was a resident of and had a domicile and fixed place of residence in Chambers County, Texas. And the document dated October 7th, 2024, which I have a copy here, purports to be his will, to my knowledge, was never revoked. There is a necessity for administration of this estate. No children were born to or adopted by him after the execution of this will. No marriage was dissolved of him, ever. And the will does not name the state of Texas, an agency of the state, or charitable organization as a devotee. He did not receive Medicaid benefits on or after March 5th of 2005. And Ms. Paula Ellis, an executor named in his will, is not a convicted felon. She is qualified and not disqualified by law from accepting letters testamentary. And she is entitled to receive letters. And we ask that appraisers be waived.
Done. Thank you, Counselor.
Yes, sir.
Merry Christmas to you and tell your dad same.
Will do. And same to y'all.
Take care. Cause number 120, the state of Marianne Ryan. Mr. Davidson, good morning.
Good morning. Morning. You got a full docket this morning. I'll try to
We
make
sure
this
do.
make this quick. So yeah, we've got an attested but not self-proved will. I'm going to call my signature witnesses first. Call Nathaniel Jimenez. He's been sworn, as have everyone in the office. Please tell the court your name.
My name is Nathaniel Jimenez.
And you were personally acquainted with the decedent Mary Ann Ryan, and you were well acquainted with her handwriting. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
And I got a copy of the document that's been filed with the court, which purports to be her last will and testament dated May 4th, 2017. And I'm directing you to the signature line. Do you recognize that as being her signature?
Yes, I do.
And on May 4th of 2017, was she over the age of 18?
Yes, she was.
And was she of sound mind?
Yes, she was.
Your Honor, I pass this witness.
Call your next witness, Counsel.
Call Charlotte Christine Santana.
Have proceed.
I'm going to ask you the same questions. You were personally acquainted with Mary Ann, is that right?
Yes, I was.
And you were well acquainted with her handwriting.
I was.
And you also recognize this as being her handwriting, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And she was on May 4th of 2017. She was over the age of 18.
Yes, she was.
And she was of sound mind.
She was of sound mind, yes.
Great. Your Honor, I pass this witness. I call my third and final witness. I call the applicant, Melissa Aldrich.
Have proceed.
State your name for the court.
Melissa Aldrich.
And the decedent was your mother, is that right?
Correct.
And she passed away on August 30th of 2025 in Old River, Winfrey, Chambers County, Texas. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
She had a fixed place of residence in Chambers County at the time of her death, didn't she?
Yes.
And I'm showing you the document that's been filed with the court dated May 4th, 2017, which purports to be her last will and testament. You recognize this document?
Yes.
And to the best of your knowledge, it was never revoked, was it?
No.
Your Honor, I request that you take judicial notice that the original is in the court's possession.
Hold
on. After the date the will was made, there were no children born to or adopted by her, were there?
No.
There were no marriages terminated, were there?
No.
And the will named you to serve as independent executor without any kind of a bond, is that correct?
Correct.
And you were qualified and not disqualified to serve in that capacity, aren't you?
Yes.
Yes. Your Honor, this is not a taxable estate, and we would request that letter testimony be issued upon execution of her oath, and that the will be admitted to probate.
So done. Thank you, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Hope you have a great Christmas.
Y'all too. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, sir.
Take care, ma'am. All right, calls number 123, the state of Shirley Jean Wallace. Commissioner Wallace, good morning.
Good morning. Good
You
morning,
may
Your Honor.
proceed, Counselor. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jarrett Lower Show, attorney for the applicant. Mr. Wallace, will you please state your full name for the court?
William O'Brien Wallace Jr.
And we're here for the probate of the will of Shirley Jean Wallace, your wife.
Yes.
Is that correct? And I'll refer to her as the decedent. Did the decedent die on November 7th, 2025 here in Mont Bellevue, Chambers County, Texas?
Yes.
And had she reached the age of 78 years?
Yes.
And 4 years have not elapsed since the date of her death?
No.
And the court has jurisdiction and venue over the estate, and that the decedent had a domicile and fixed place of residence here in Chambers County, Texas on the date of her death?
Yes.
And we have provided the court with the original copy of a last will and testament of Shirley Jean Wallace. Do you recognize this document as being her last will and testament signed on July 23rd of 2007?
Yes.
And has citation been served and returned in the manner and for the length of time required by the Texas Estates Code?
Yes.
And does the necessity exist for the administration of this estate?
Yes.
Now, was the decedent's will self-proved?
Yes.
And to the best of your knowledge, was this will ever revoked?
No.
And was any state governmental agency of the state or charitable organization named in the will as a devisee?
No.
After the date of the will, was any child born to or adopted by a decedent?
No.
Was any marriage of decedent ever dissolved after the will was made?
No.
And were you named therein to act as independent executor and to serve independently without bond or other security?
Yes.
And to the best of your knowledge, are you qualified to serve as the independent executor?
Yes.
And would there be any reason that you would be disqualified?
No.
Are you requesting that the court admit the will to probate and waive the requirement of appraisers?
Yes.
That's all we have, Your Honor.
Everybody admit the will of probate and authorize letters. Thank you, Counselor. Bill,
Thank you, Judge.
take care. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Your Honor. Merry Christmas.
All right, call number 88, State of Donna Watson Bird. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Bird, is your
Yes.
name John? You're here on
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, my name is John Bird. I have my stepdaughter, Lisa Pearson, that just joined us here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And we're here to file this amended smallest estate affidavit. When we were in court last month, we were reminded that we needed to include a copy of the Medicaid estate recovery program, their notice of withdrawal, and I've included that in the package as well.
Okay, so you're swearing to the application on the small estate affidavit?
Yes.
Ms. Pearson, did you have anything?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, then I'm gonna approve the small estate affidavit. Take care.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Merry Christmas.
Welcome. Merry Christmas to all of you.
All right.
All right, call number 118, the state of Patrick Dean Sarles. Are you guys here on that? You're muted.
All right. Yes.
All right.
Sorry.
So we've sworn you in, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Hang on. Mr. Bird, you are free to exit. All right, you muted. All right, so you swear to the facts in the small estate affidavit
Yes, sir.
are true? Is there anything you need to tell the court?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna approve your small estate affidavit.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you.
Oh, wait just a moment. State your
Yes.
name for the record, please. I'm sorry.
I'm Isaac Sarles.
And Charlene Sarles.
Okay, we got it. Thank you, Kate.
Thanks.
All right, with that, Merry Christmas. We are done. Court's adjourned.